Hi guys, this vlog comes to you in the opposite direction from last time. With this handy, annoying, distracting background. And a frog! So apparently I was supposed to answer a whole pile of questions, like all the ones I didn't answer, so I'll answer them now. Aiden's 5 things that make me unimpressed. Sunlight. Vlogging. This alarm clock. I fucking hate it. Dance music. And finger puppets with legs. Jenny's questions. Brownie belt. There's nothing wrong with a belt, really. Baguettes/panninis. Baguettes? If I could have a tattoo, what would it be? Favorite YouTube user with under 2,000 subscribers? Don't have a favorite. If I was in a house at Hogwarts, which house would it be? I couldn't be in Gryffindor because the colours are red and gold. I do not suit red. Also, Hufflepuff. I don't think I suit yellow. Can't be in Slytherin because it's green. And Ravenclaw. No. They're not purple? I don't know, maybe Ravenclaw. How many sugars in my tea? I can't drink tea because it's caffeinated and I'm allergic. Chris's questions. If I could do any job regardless of skill, what would it be? Professional skateboarder. The infamous pool question. Marry, because she probably wouldn't notice, being the unperceptive gal she is. And yep. And favorite dinosaur. I'm totally gonna cheat here by saying Yoshi. Mary's questions. Which dinosaur do I look most like? Don't know, it'd be good to look like a velociraptor. You know how Aiden feels about them. Maybe I could reach unimpressment level 20. And how did I meet the person in front of me? Larkin. So, Larkin, you're a liar. I met you on the time we went to the beach. You came with Alice, and we had crazy rounders time and stuff. So I met you then. First time. So that's how I met Larkin. Couldn't think of anything exciting for choosing a random person. But I finally came up with this. We're going to see who's the most exciting anagram for their name. With Mary's anagram is Hill Nicer Maine. Not very good. Chris comes up with Slow Arch Rich. Pretty poor. Roseanne is Waster on Meat. Jenny comes up with hence junk buy. And Aiden is nail on acid. I think that one wins it. Now my question to everyone is to do this online test. I'll put the link in the sidebar. So it's personality test. So we do the personality test and give us what type you are. I'm an ENTP. So, in conclusion, Aiden's doing the next vlog. She will likely not be able to upload it as in the first case, and also, if you've just watched this, you'll probably notice that this screensaver is much more exciting than everything I've said. Bye.